Guys to everything. Welcome to my channel, guys to everything. Today we're going to learn how you can turn your social media account into a money making machine. How you can turn your social media account into a cash machine, that is into a money making machine. And you can earn up to 5,000 naira daily by performing some social media tasks such as following, liking, commenting, sharing, retweeting, posting of adverts on WhatsApp status, etc. And you'll be hearing, when you go to Facebook, you hear digital marketing, and all that. But what you're going to show you now, just what you have to just go straight to the description of this video and see the step-by-step guide on how you can go about that. We give you a link, just click on the link, you register. After you have registered, you will see a lot of adverts there. If you see other people that are already making money there, just register. After you're registered and approval, and they have been approved, you can start making money immediately. Only thing you have to do is just for you to just pay a token of 1,000 naira. And once you pay that 1,000 naira, you have access to tasks you'll be doing. And that task now is much. So you do, as you are doing, you are generating money for yourself, which you can easily cash out. So you go to where you also go to enter your bank details, and you enter your bank details and easily cash out to your bank account directly in Nigeria here. So what are you waiting for? Go to my description box and start, and click the link there and start making money immediately. Just you pay 1,000 to have access to all the tasks, and you can make 5,000, a minimum of 5,000 naira daily, guaranteed. So do not forget to share this video. Like, this channel is full of opportunities. Once we see opportunity like this, we let our subscribers to know. We don't keep it to ourselves. You know, when you go there, seeing is believing. Just click on the link and see for yourself. You can also, after you register, you can also Google it to know. You will see that it's genuine. You will see that it is legitimate. So you will be able to testify by yourself and come back on this video and make comments about what you are seeing. So go there now and register and start making money. Do not forget to use the comment box below to make your comments about how you feel about this opportunity. I'm just giving it to you, free of charge. This particular opportunity has been around all this while. Probably I've been missing this opportunity, but people have been cashing out, and you are not been cashing out. But this opportunity for you now to do what? To subscribe to this channel, guys to everything, and also share the video with your loved ones. Share the videos, make your comments. If you are enjoying this particular system, this machine, this cash machine, enjoying it, make your comments. Let others know about it. Share with your friends and family. And come here and testify and thank me for this opportunity, for this information I'm giving to you. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.